Hello everybody, here we are again, and now completing a sequence of some attribute charts where we talked about the P chart, NP chart, C chart. Now we will close this cycle with the U chart. The data table is exactly the same, where we have some different days, shifts, assembly lines, the amount of cars that were inspected, the amount of the defect 1, 2 and 3 that were seen, that were saw in these 40 cars, and the total defects that we had inspecting those 40 cars. So our response variable here that we are very interested to perform this U chart is the total defects. Okay, so let's go there. Analyze, quality and process, control chart, U chart. So here, if you watched the C chart video, you can see that is exactly the same platform. Okay, what is the difference? This U here above. So we are gonna put here the total defects, the cars inspected, and we will run this chart. Now we have a U chart and we have some statistical details here that are different from the C chart because we are now counting per unit, counting the defects per unit. The value that we have here is different. So some details about the difference between P, NP, C and U chart you can of course find in some Six Sigma courses, and there with some cases, some real cases, you could really understand the difference. Okay, as the other chart that we showed here, we can use I'm gonna recall here, we can use the phase and the buy situation. For example, let's see a U chart for each assembly line. So now we will have a U chart for the assembly line 1, another U chart for the assembly line 2, and another U chart for the assembly line 3. Okay guys, so that's it, a short video about how to perform the U chart. I hope I could help you again. So the main detail here is the column that you should use to run this chart. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye bye.